Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing a beginner friendly tutorial on how to do a crochet fox lock. So guys, if you want to see a detailed beginner friendly tutorial on how to do a crochet fox lock, keep watching. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, the first thing I'm going to make use of this braiding hair or attachment in order to cornrow my hair, guys. Okay, this will ensure that my cornrow or my braiding lasts longer. Okay guys, and then I just started to cornrow. Okay, section out a little part of my hair. Okay, and so guys, I'm showing you guys the cornrow pattern I use for this crochet fox lock, guys. So guys, I just cornrowed two. Okay guys, section out two places to cornrow, after in which I join the two together and then cornrow this thread to the back. Okay guys, this is the cornrow pattern I use for this crochet fox lock. Okay, and also guys, I'm going to join the two and then cornrow each thread to the back. So guys, this is a detailed and beginner friendly video on how to do a crochet fox lock, guys. And so guys, I'm cornrowing it to the back. Okay guys, don't forget that the video is very detailed and beginner friendly. So guys, when I got to the back, okay, I stopped cornrowing that one, and then I sectioned out another of my hair, and then I did the same thing to the same hair, and then I joined the two cornrows together. Okay guys, you guys can understand what I'm saying. Okay, so guys, it's all detailed in the video. Okay guys, and I joined it together at the back and started to cornrow. Okay guys, so guys, I did the same thing all to my natural hair. Okay guys, until I'm through with the cornrow, until I'm through cornrowing my hair for the crochet fox lock. Okay, and so guys, after cornrowing my hair, I finally joined all together the same way I did. Okay guys, and then I stuck it into my hair. Okay guys, the small remaining part that is remaining, I braided this and then stuck it in. Okay, and so guys, making use of a crochet hook or latch hook. Okay guys, I crocheted it in. Okay, and so guys, this is pretty much the cornrow pattern I use for this crochet fox lock. Okay guys, it's so easy. Okay, you can ask someone to help you do the cornrow of your crochet fox lock, but this video is already detailed all you need to know in order to do a crochet fox lock. So guys, I'm going to apply some coconut oil to my natural hair, guys, because my hair roots are so dry. Okay guys, and they are so thick. I just want to keep it moisturized. So guys, for the crochet fox locks I'll be making use of, this is it. Okay guys, I have 5 packs, and the 5 packs contains like 20 pieces. Okay guys, and yes guys, I got it off AliExpress. I'll be putting the link in the description box. Make sure you check it out, guys. And so guys, yes, I started crocheting my hair from the back. Okay guys, what I did was I took one crochet fox lock. Okay guys, I passed my crochet hook or latch hook through my cornrow. I placed the crochet fox lock on top, close it, bring it out, twist it, and make a knot, guys. Okay, and so guys, it's pretty much simple and detailed. So guys, I repeated the same thing all through my hair. Okay, I passed the crochet hook or latch hook through my hair. I placed the crochet fox lock on top, close the hook, bring it out, twist the crochet fox lock, and then I made a knot. Okay guys, that is it on how I did this crochet fox lock. Okay guys, and so guys, I did pretty much the same thing. Okay, you just need to pass the crochet hook or the latch hook through. Okay guys, place it on the crochet hook. Okay, close it, bring it out, and then you're just going to make a knot. Okay, use the crochet fox lock to make a knot. So guys, don't forget that the link to this crochet fox lock will be in the description, guys. And I'm making use of 5 packs, which is 100 pieces. Okay, each one contains 20, and then the size I'm making use of, not forgetting, is 20 inches. Okay guys, and so guys, Coming to my front part, guys, I started to crochet my hair the same way, because I placed the crochet fox lock. Okay, I placed the crochet hook, okay, through my hair, okay, and then I place the crochet fox lock on top, close it, bring it out, twist it, and make a knot. So guys, that is it on how to make a crochet fox lock. Okay guys, and so guys, you guys can see how detailed and beginner friendly the video is. Okay guys, and yes guys, I did pretty much the same thing all through my hair, guys. Okay guys, don't forget that you don't need to open up the crochet fox locks too much, because I noticed that some of the crochet fox lock was losing. I couldn't figure out why. But so guys, you just need to be gentle while opening it up. Okay guys, while opening the, should I say the mouth or this also. So guys, you just need to place the crochet fox lock, okay, to your crochet hook, close it, bring it out, twist it, and then you're going to make a knot on how, okay, this is how to do a crochet fox lock hairstyle, okay, or tutorial. And so guys, I repeated pretty much the same thing all through my hair on this crochet fox lock tutorial, guys. Okay, so guys, be gentle while opening it up. Okay, because like I said, I noticed some of the crochet fox lock was losing. Okay, I couldn't figure out why. But yes guys, you guys can know I'm only making use of 5 parts, guys, and I wasn't pretty much sure that the crochet fox lock would be enough for me. So guys, instead of running out, okay, I tried to space it out a little bit. Okay guys, to space out the crochet fox lock a little bit. Okay, and so guys, I passed my latch hook or crochet hook through my hair. I place the crochet fox lock on top, close it, bring it out, twist it, and then make a knot. Okay guys, so guys, I did the same thing and the crocheting of the fox lock the same, pretty much the same way all through my hair, as you guys can see. Okay, so guys, you just need to take your time. Okay guys, and then you'll be through with the crochet fox lock. Okay guys, and so guys, I love doing all these detailed hair tutorials. So guys, you just pretty much need to do the same thing. Okay guys, as you guys can see, my front hair or the front part of my hairs are short, or they cut due to I was doing too much to my natural hair, guys. You just need to pass the crochet hook, okay, or the latch hook through your hair, place the crochet fox lock, bring it out, close it, and bring it out, and then you're going to make a knot. So guys, after I'm done crocheting my hair, guys, and then I noticed that some of the crochet fox lock was remaining. So guys, I have to go back in order to fill up those places I left. And hopefully guys, thank God, the 5 packs was enough for me to finish crocheting my hair. Okay guys, even though the hair is okay but not so full, guys, because I couldn't order more hair. Okay guys, because there was no time, and then I just want everything to work out perfectly fine, and then it did for this crochet fox lock. So guys, after that, I'll be putting on some accessories, okay, to this crochet fox lock, guys. So guys, the crochet fox lock came with some hair accessories, as you guys can see. It comes in 10 pieces, and I was just fixing it out to my hair. Okay, it's very easy to do, you guys can see. And so guys, after fixing it, guys, okay, I went ahead to make use of some hair gel in order to lay my front hair or my baby hair. Okay guys, and so guys, making use of this hair gel, I just went all over my front hair or my baby hair in order to lay it. Okay guys, because I also want the baby hair to be cute for this crochet fox lock. Okay guys, and to be laid. Okay, and so guys, I took my time in order to lay my front hair or my baby hair for the crochet fox lock, guys. And after that, so guys, you guys can see how I styled the crochet fox lock, guys. Okay guys, I just took like some hair okay, to the back, and then making use of a rubber band, I tied the crochet fox lock. Okay guys, very simple and easy. Okay guys, so guys, that is it on how I made this crochet fox lock tutorial. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Check out the video tutorial on how I did my makeup. Check out my other hair tutorials, the crochet hair I did, and also the crochet wigs, and also other crochet videos I did. So guys, thank you so much guys. Don't forget to check the link in the description in order to get this crochet fox lock hair. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.